Home, they say, is where the heart is. But here, home is more than just a luxury, it's a necessity. Welcome to Jaywood Gardens, a beautifully built, ready-to-move-in 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex located in General Paint, right beside the Lagos Business School, Lekki Aja. Jaywood Gardens, every space is designed to create a living experience that is truly exceptional and perfect for making memories that last a lifetime. From the stunning living rooms to the spacious all-ensuite bedrooms, each detail is thoughtfully crafted to give you a safe haven. This home features a spacious, fully fitted kitchen, a walk-in closet, a room ceiling sound system, a swimming pool, ample parking space, an indoor and outdoor CCTV camera, and much more. Imagine waking up to elegance, dining in style, and unwinding in a home that redefines quality living. You deserve Jaywood Gardens, a place where comfort and class come together effortlessly. This home places you at the center of some most essential landmarks around the Lekki Aja neighborhood. A serene environment that comes with 24/7 security, a community that is designed for your peace of mind. The title of this property is Governor's Consent, with limited units available, currently selling for 162.5 million naira. Offer is valid for just 20 days. This is more than just a house. It's a statement, a legacy, a necessity. Call the number on your screen right now, make the purchase and move into your home. Jaywood Gardens awaits you.